objective: to study about the stem. The stem is the ascending part of the axis bearing branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. It develops from the plumule of the embryo of a germinating seed. Plumule is the first apical bud of the shoot. The stem bears nodes and internodes. The region of the stem where leaves are born is called as a node. Internode is the portion between two successive nodes. Young stems are green, soft and pliable. Pliable means easily bent. Older stems are dark brown, hard and woody. A stem with more amount of wood is considered as woody. Secondary xylem is called as wood. The young stem can perform photosynthesis due to the presence of chlorophyll molecules. In some plants, stem surface is covered with the hairs. Hairs are generally multicellular. Stems are usually positively phototropic, negatively geotropic, and negatively hydrotropic. Buds. A bud is a condensed or embryonic shoot having a growing point surrounded by the closely placed immature leaves. According to their nature, buds are of two kinds. They are vegetative buds and floral buds. A vegetative bud generally forms a leafy shoot. A floral bud is also called as a reproductive bud that forms into a flower. According to their position, buds are classified into two types. They are axillary buds and terminal buds. Axillary bud develops in the leaf axil. The angle between the upper surface of the leaf and the stem is called as the leaf axil. Leaf axillary bud generally develops into a lateral branch. Bract axillary bud generally develops into a flower. Terminal buds help in the elongation of stem and branches. Leaf axil and tips of stems and branches are called as normal positions of the plant body. The buds formed from places other than normal positions are called adventitious buds. Adventitious buds are classified into three types on the basis of their position. They are radical, foliar, and corline buds. The adventitious buds present on the roots are called as radical buds. Radical buds are present in plants like Dalbergia and Ipomea batatas. Foliar buds are located on the leaves. Foliar buds are present in plants like Bryophyllum and Begonia. Corline buds are located on older stems. Corline buds are present in plants like jackfruit. Artocarpus heterophyllus is the botanical name of jackfruit. It belongs to the family Moraceae. Forms of stem. The unbranched, erect, stout cylindrical stem, having scars and remnants of fallen leaves, is called caudex. Caudex stem is seen in cocos and borassus. These genera belong to the family Palmae. Palmae is a monocot family. A stem with hollow internodes and solid prominent nodes, jointed stem, is called as culm. Culm is seen in grasses. In a few monocots with underground stems, aerial shoots develop only for bearing flowers. Such a leafless shoot bearing flowers is called as scape. Scape is seen in Allium cepa. Main functions of the stem: to spread out branches which bears leaves, flowers, and fruits, conduction of water, minerals, and photosynthase. Summary. The stem is the ascending part of the axis bearing branches, leaves, buds, flowers, and fruits. The young stem can perform photosynthesis due to the presence of chlorophyll molecules. A vegetative bud generally forms a leafy shoot. Leaf axil and tips of stems and branches are called as normal positions of the plant body. Caudex stem is seen in Cocos and Borassus. These genera belong to the family Palmae. Scape is seen in Allium cepa.